Hi guys, I'm Oliver from Quatog 101 and welcome to my channel. So for today's lesson, we'll be discussing the difference between the routine and non-routine word problems. Ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng routine at saka non-routine? Kailangan ba talagang alam natin kung paano siya i-identify bago natin sagutan yung word problem or vice versa? Para ba masagutan natin yung word problems, dapat alam natin na routine siya or non-routine word problem. Ano sa tingin nyo? Tara, pag-aralan natin. So, bago ko i-discuss sa inyo yung word problem na to, meron ako ditong na-prepare na question. Etong problem na to ay masasabi ko na traditional. Kasi nung elementary ako, naalala ko na-encounter na namin tong problem na to eh. Ito yung problem na tungkol dun sa villager na namumroblema siya kung paano niya itatawid yung pucks, yung duck, tsaka yung seaweeds dun sa river na yon. Kasi ang bangka niya, isa lang ang pwedeng isakay. Ang problema siya pa kasi pag inuna niya yung seaweeds, kakainin ng pucks yung duck. Pag inuna niya naman yung pucks, kakainin ng duck yung seaweeds. So, paano niya kaya isosolve itong problem na to? Tulungan natin si villager. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 1 minuto para sagutan. So, ngayon, para sagutan natin yung problem na to, kailangan nating i-understand yung problem. Ano ba yung mga given facts dun sa problem na yon? Okay? First, across the river in a boat. One thing at a time. So, isa-isa lang. Cannot leave them unattended. Bakit? Siyempre, yung pucks kakainin yung duck. Yung duck kakainin yung seaweed. So, hindi pwedeng hindi bantayan. And wait to carry everything across the river safely. So, yun yung main goal. So, these are the facts or the given facts on the given problem. Okay? Step 1, understand the problem. Step 2, you need to devise a plan. Okay? Paano? Kailangan mag-draw tayo ng diagram. So, after drawing a diagram, we need to carry out the plan. Okay? So, we have 3 options on our diagram. Number 1 option, kailangan pag inuna natin si pucks, ang matitira ay si duck tsaka si seaweeds. So, what will happen? Yes. The duck will eat the seaweeds. So, X yung first. The second one is, pag inuna naman natin si duck, the pucks and the seaweeds remain or will be left behind. So, kakainin ba ni pucks yung seaweeds na yan? Hindi. Maliban na lang kung vegetarian yung pucks. Diba? Okay. Possible yun 2. Yun 3 kaya. Pag inuna natin yung seaweeds, the pucks will eat the duck. So, dun sa 3, ano yung tama? Of course, yung pangalawa. Okay? So, sisimulan natin dun sa pangalawa. Uunahin natin yung duck. Okay, uunahin natin yung duck. So, itatawid ng villager yung duck. Babalik siya, kukunin niya yung seaweeds. Itatawid niya yung seaweeds. Babalik siya. Ang problema, may iwan yung duck tsaka yung seaweeds. So, kakainin ngayon ng duck yung seaweeds. So, anong gagawin niya? Pagbalik niya, dadali niya uli si duck. Iwanan niya doon. Kukunin si pucks. Babalik, kukunin yung duck. So, yun. Solve ang problem. Naitawid niya yung 3 safely. Kaya lang, kawawa naman si duck. Kasi inuna siya eh. Tapos siya rin pala yung huli. Diba? Ayan, okay? So, that problem is a specific example of a non-routine. Bakit? Kasi posible yung solution mo o yung mga steps na ginawa mo ay iba dun sa steps na gagawin ng kaklase mo. Or vice versa. Possible na mas maigsi or mas kakaunti yung steps na ginawa ng kaklase mo dun sa solution mo. And hindi, sa tingin ko, hindi naman siya magiging problema as long as ang maging sagot nyo ay tama. Okay? Kaya nga siya tinawag na non-routine word problem kasi different solution but you will be arriving at the same answer. Okay, ang sabi daw, many elementary school math problems fit into one category. Okay, fit into one of the following categories. First, the one-step routine translation. Paano itong one-step routine translation? By the word itself, one-step routine. Sabihin, yung problem na yon, gumagamit lang siya ng isang operation. One step. Okay? Can be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. And it can be answered mentally, can be answered in a matter of seconds to answer this problem. Or, if you are really good in mathematics, upon reading of that problem, after reading that problem, you have already the answer. Okay? So that is one-step routine. So let us have this problem. There are 6 pencils in a drawer. Evelyn places 9 more pencils in the drawer. How many pencils are now there in total? Okay. So the answer is 15. So what operation is being used? Addition. The next one is the multi-step routine translation problem. Okay. Multi-step routine translation. By the word itself, multi, meaning to say that itong problem na to ay gagamit siya ng more than one mathematical operation. Okay? Kung ang one-step routine, isang operation lang ang ginamit, ang multi-step translation problem ay gumagamit siya ng more than one operation. Okay? And it develops higher level thinking than one-step problem. Okay, I have here the example. Janet bought 4 packets of balloons. There were 5 balloons in each packet. She used 2 packets. How many balloons did she have left? Okay, again. Janet bought 4 packets of balloon, and each packet, there were 5 balloons in each packet. She used 2 packets. How many balloons did she have left? So what operations are being used? Okay, multiplication and subtraction. So 4 times 5 is 20 minus 2 times 5 is 10. So the answer is 10 balloons. Okay. So that is a multi-step routine. You can easily answer that mentally, or you can use your pencil or ball pen to answer that in step-by-step procedure because this is a routine problem. Okay? The next one is the non-routine word problem or non-routine problems. So when we say non-routine problems, this is often solved with some unusual approach or insight. Non-routine problems develop flexible thinking. Unusual approach, meaning to say that you use different approach, quite different from the approach or the strategies that you have used in solving routine problems. Maybe you draw it, you use algebraic approach, you use different approach or approach that is different from what you have used or what you use in solving routine problems. So let us have this example. Jaden had 17 coins. 7 of them were 1 peso. Okay? 2 of them were 5 peso coins and the rest were 10 peso coins. How much money did Jaden have? Again, Jaden had 17 coins. 7 of them were 1 peso, 2 of them were 5 peso coins, and the rest were 10 peso coins. How much money did Jaden have? Okay. So, if I give you 30 seconds to answer this, maybe your answer is different from the answer of your classmate. Or if I gave you 30 seconds to answer this, maybe you find it quite difficult to solve for this problem. Why? Because this problem is a non-routine problem and it requires unusual approach. Maybe your solution is different from the solution of your classmates. Okay? But if we gave, or if I ask you to answer this in a matter, or in 1 minute or 2 minutes, okay, possible your answer is correct, or possible that your answer is the same as the answer of your classmate. Okay? So that is what we call non-routine problem. So your solution is possible your solution is different from the solution of the other, or it requires more than one operations, or it requires unusual approach to solve for this kind of problem. Okay, that is non-routine. So what is your answer, by the way? Okay, so 97. Let us see. 7 pesos plus 10 pesos. So you have 17 pesos. Okay. And 8 times 10 is 80. 80 plus 17 is 97 pesos. So you have, or Jaden had 97 pesos. Okay. Now, what is the difference between routine and non-routine problems? Okay? It is says that routine problems is a real-life problems. When we say non-routine problems, it is a complex problem. Okay? So, routine problems, this is quite, these problems are familiar to us. Okay? We usually encounter this kind of problem, this routine problems. But when we say non-routine problems, if you are not used to answer or to solve word problems, or to practice answering word problems, maybe the problems is quite unfamiliar to you. Okay? Routine problems involve one mathematical operation, while non-routine, it requires more than one mathematical operations. Yes. Routine problems use basic skills and sequence. Okay, steps. Okay? In solving routine problems, you may use step-by-step procedures, or you may use your basic skills to answer that. But when we say non-routine problems, it uses critical and creative thinking to answer. Okay? So therefore, in answering non-routine problems, or it is very good for us to practice answering non-routine problems, it is because it says that it develops our critical and creative thinking skills. And that is the reason why majority or almost all the questions in the MTAP is an example of non-routine problem, or majority of the questions in the mathematics are MTAP problems is or are non-routine word problems. The last one is routine problems can be solved using storytelling and relate it to real life situation. Yes. Based dun sa experience ko, nakikita ko dun sa mga teachers, especially sa elementary, para ang mga estudyante nila ay maintindihan itong problem na ito, usually nire-relate nila yung problem dun sa real life situation, or ikinekwento nila para yung bata ma-visualize yung problem. But when we say non-routine problem, it uses various strategies and methods to solve it. Okay. Ako, based on my experience, ang ginagawa ko, babasahin ko siya for mga 3 times o 4 times, babasahin ko yan. Then, tatagalogin ko yan. Pag hindi pa rin, babasahin ko, drawing ko ngayon or gagawa ko ng diagram. Then, after a while, minsan pag hindi ko talaga siya masagutan, pahinga muna ako sandali. Then, after 1 hour, babasahin ko, tsaka ko marirealize, ganito pala yung solution. Okay? It uses various strategies and methods to solve it. That is non-routine problem. Okay? So, that is, hopefully, may natutunan kayo for this day topic, routine and non-routine word problems. So, para updated kayo, please like my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel, and pakiclick na rin yung bell button para updated kayo dun sa mga susunod na videos na i-upload ko. Okay? Thank you!